Just crawl through nice and slow, and it'll keep the mud off the side. You can hit it hard if you want to have a mud plastic Jeep or Toyota.
Put it in 4 low just in case, because it's kind of an ugly spot to get stuck in and have to kind of walk in through the water to get hooked up.
That's true.
4 low is a lot easier on your transmission too. If you stay in 4 high or even 2 high climbing these hills, you'll eventually burn up your transmission if it's an automatic.
So, what's going on?
It's a rental.
Okay. You okay if I film? Hey guys, how's it going? Well, that's okay. We're glad we came along then. You don't mind us filming? Awesome, cool. Are you just gonna back him through?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just put it in drive, and I'll pull it.
Don't run over the rope.
So, when you get to the mud puddle, you probably want to put it down and pull it. Just to give you, we didn't have any problems, but we pulled somebody else out.
Oh,
Up here.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
just don't drive super. Just drive at a steady pace. Don't try to spin your tires or anything. Yeah, just try to go at a steady pace and just keep going. Because if you stop, then it's hard to get going again. Yep.
Thanks again.
But have fun. Where are you from?
San Francisco.
Oh, okay. All right.
Very good.
Washington State.
Oh, nice.
Wenatchee, Washington.
Perfect. What's your YouTube channel?
Along came a Jeep.
It's just a small family.
Yeah, just a small one. It's not a very big one, but we have fun. Yeah, check us out. Have a great day. So, give a little context to that one. Yes, they were in a Jeep. No, it was not theirs. It was a rental, and they're from a different state, like everybody else that comes here to visit. They've never really driven a Jeep, I don't think, before, because they come from San Francisco area, which
are you guys coming, or are you doing a hill climb?
there's no need for a Jeep necessarily in San Francisco. So anyways, that's why they weren't really sure on how to operate the vehicle, which is okay, because that's a lot of people are that way. So anyways, that second recovery went pretty quick. Just
Watch you guys do it.
pull them backwards, which normally is not the way you want to go, but that was okay. It didn't take much to move that Jeep. So first recovery was a lot more exciting, but this might be recovery day. on a viewpoint. Took a little side trail off this Schaefer, and it goes out to a viewpoint that's supposed to overlook the Colorado River. I think that's the name of it. Colorado River? Yep, Colorado River. So yeah, and it's pretty sweet. Watch the kids, all right, because it drops, and yeah, we don't want anything terrible happening. But look at that view back that way. I mean, that's pretty cool. All the rocks, cliffs, and then we get into this canyon, and it drops down, and I'll go to about right there, and then there you go. There is the Colorado River. It's super green, so maybe it should be called the Green River. However, I think that's taken, so we'll stay with the Colorado River. But yeah, it kind of winds down around the end of this little peak we're coming out on. I'll walk to the end of it safely. And it looks like I'll go to about right here. And there you go, the river just kind of S's through and moves on. So that's pretty nice. It's pretty green though. It's a spectacular view. So yeah, this is a pretty cool trail. It's actually worked out pretty nicely too for us to kind of get some extra adventure into it with the recoveries. So yeah, we have more to come on this one. So there's a famous movie, Thelma and Louise, and there's a scene in that movie, I'm told, that they drive off a cliff in their car, and this is the cliff that they drive off of. Not exactly sure where they actually drove off. Could be a number of positions around here. But it is a long, long ways down.